Next victim. Oh, well, hello. Are you here to see the doctor? Oh, I can see you can't talk. Can you nod your head up for yes and side to side for no? Okay. Seems like you're conscious and you're able to listen and respond appropriately to questions. That's a good start. You didn't come here looking for pain meds, did you? All right, good. I see on this chart that you've already provided some history. It says here, you've been dealing with headache, nausea, fatigue, achy shoulders and neck, chest tightness, difficulty breathing, sweaty palms, difficulty concentrating. And when does this seem to occur? Okay. Have you been exposed to anyone with COVID? Okay. Have you taken the COVID test? You're not sure if you got it or not? Have you been staying at home away from others? Okay. How about, are you involved with public speaking? Oh, I see. You're in Toastmasters. Yeah, I know about them. I used to do Toastmasters. Are you trying to write a new speech? Okay, I see. Wait a minute. I don't think you have COVID. I think it's something else. I think you have writer's block. Yes, it's true. Don't get worried. Don't cry. There's hope. I have the right solution, and I'm writing a prescription for you right now. I'll give you a prescription. Take this. It's a ticket to the creative writing workshop. It's an event that's held on Saturday, September 17th at the Jimmy Keel Library. The event is sponsored by Carrollwood Toastmasters Club at 5083. Whether or not you really have writer's block, you will meet inspirational and humorous speech contestants who will inspire you to think about life and to think about what you're most passionate about and be creative and take that creativity and that passion and make a new speech out of it. They'll tell you about having the courage to speak. And they'll also show you how to use a brainstorming tree. It's a tree with all the different branches of your life, things you watch on TV, things that you read in the newspaper. They'll tell you more about it. All that will help you come up with new speeches. They'll even give you tips on how to create a strong and memorable conclusion. All these tips will help you write 5 speeches in 12 months. How do you feel? Oh yeah, that's good. You look better already. Here, take this to the front desk. And I look forward to see you on Saturday, September 17th, the Creative Writing Workshop. Be there.